channel. How's everybody doing today? Today in this video I'm going to be introducing you to my what I call rustic meets glam tablescape. Neither one of them are my style, but I just wanted to try something different since all of the items that I was liking fell into this category. So this video is part of the DIY Mommy's challenge, the DIY and decor challenge. So I'll be doing a Christmas decor that will feature a couple of DIYs, and I'll let you know what they are. So what you're looking at is this beautiful burlap and lace runner that I purchased from eFavorMart, and also a few of these items in my tablescape or from eFavorMart. I'll have a link in the description box, and you can go on their site and see if they have anything that interests you. If they do have anything that interests you, go ahead and use Mrs Vee's coupon code for an additional 15% off. So this beautiful burlap runner, I'll have the entire length of it in a picture from when I ordered it, because I had to fold it because it's longer than my table. As you can see, it's very long, so I had to fold it. So this is the centerpiece. So this is my poinsettia and pines centerpiece ring that I created using those 4-inch reforms from the Dollar Tree. And this is my rustic feel. This is my rustic contribution. This and the burlap. And so the glam, we're going to glam it on up with these glittered presents that I picked up from the Dollar Tree last year, and this beautiful tree that I picked up from Target about 3 years ago. I use my same items because I like what I like, and my style usually don't change, but right here I'm just doing something different. So this is the centerpiece. So stay tuned for me to set the table. We'll start out with some glam chargers from eFavorMart also. I'm going to be using these beautiful rose gold chargers with the gem detail around the edges. So this tablescape is a little different. I'm just using a lot of the items that I like. I don't know if it's proper etiquette, but that's what we're going to do over here on my channel. Real life, we're just going to use the items we like. So this is the present state of the tablescape. So before I finish up this video, I want to go ahead and thank Christina of the DIY Mommy for hosting this challenge. This is a fun challenge yearly, well, seasonally, and I enjoy participating. So these are the chargers. Okay, so this is the final look. Glam meets rustic. So what I've done here is, you know, when I have a beautiful charger, I like to use my clear plates from the Dollar Tree. Clear plate from the Dollar Tree. Stemware that I always use in my tablescapes. And this beautiful napkin ring that I DIY'd. I'll link that video. And I also DIY'd, as I said, the centerpiece. So I'll show you at the end of the video how I created this setup right here using some lace. So I got all kind of textures here. So there's no, well, there is proper table etiquette and I guess tablescape etiquette, but when you're living real life, you just do what you like to do. That's what I say. So that's what I've done here. And so I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment section what's your favorite. Is it the lace, the beautiful rose gold charger with the gem detail, the clear plate so you can see the beautiful charger, my napkin setup, or the tree presents, or is it the centerpiece, or the beautiful runner? My favorite, I think, is all of the lace. For some reason, I'm loving the lace. I don't know what's going on, but I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna enjoy it. But for right now, I'm enjoying all the lace. So that's it. This is gonna conclude this video. I'll have the DIY's Mommy channel linked in the description box, and I will also have a link to eFavorMark if you're interested in any of these items. So I had 3 things here from eFavorMark: the lace runner, the lace that I use with the napkins, and the charger. So as I was stating earlier, I have a link to the playlist and DIY's Mommy channel. So I'll talk to you in the comment section. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.